Hello kids! Welcome to our lesson on the busy life of a honeybee. Today, we will explore the world of Bella the bee and her amazing hive. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered what honeybees do all day? Well, today we're going to find out. We'll learn all about Bella the honeybee and her important job in the hive. Meet Bella the honeybee. Bella is a worker bee with a very important job. She collects nectar from flowers to make honey. Nectar is a sweet liquid found in flowers. Bella visits hundreds of flowers every day to gather nectar. Isn't that amazing? Bella isn't alone in her work. She lives in a big family called a colony. A colony has thousands of bees working together. There are 3 types of bees in the colony: the queen bee, worker bees like Bella, and drones. Each type of bee has a special job to keep the hive running smoothly. At the heart of the colony is the queen bee. She is the only bee that lays eggs, which will become new bees. The queen can lay up to 2,000 eggs in a single day. She is larger than the other bees and has a special scent that helps keep the colony together. Worker bees like Bella are females that do all the jobs in the hive. They clean the hive, feed the baby bees called larvae, and make honey. Worker bees also protect the hive from intruders and take care of the queen. They have special glands that produce wax to build the honeycomb cells. Bees have a special way of communicating called the waggle dance. When a bee finds a good source of nectar, she returns to the hive and dances. The dance tells the other bees where to find the best flowers. It's like giving directions using dance moves. Now, let's talk about how Bella and her friends make honey. Bella collects nectar and brings it back to the hive. Worker bees process the nectar by adding enzymes and reducing its water content. The nectar thickens into honey, which is stored in honeycomb cells. Bees use honey as their food source, especially in the winter when flowers are not available. Bees are very important to our environment. They help plants grow by pollinating flowers. Pollination happens when bees move pollen from one flower to another, helping plants to make seeds and fruit. Without bees, many of our favorite fruits and vegetables wouldn't grow. And of course, bees make delicious honey that we enjoy on our toast, in tea, and in many recipes. Let's review what we've learnt. Bella the honeybee has a very important job in her colony. She collects nectar, helps make honey, and communicates with her bee friends. The queen bee lays eggs, and worker bees like Bella do many different jobs. Bees are essential for pollinating flowers and helping plants grow. Now, let's see how much you remember with a fun quiz. It's quiz time. Let's see what you've learnt about honeybees. I'll ask a question, and you can choose the correct answer. Question 1. What is the main job of Bella the honeybee? A. Lay eggs. B. Collect nectar. C. Dance. That's right. Bella's main job is to collect nectar. Question 2. Who is the heart of the bee colony? A. Worker bee. B. Queen bee. C. Baby bee. Correct. The queen bee is the heart of the colony. Question 3. What do bees do to communicate? A. Sing. B. Dance. C. Jump. Great job. Bees dance to communicate with each other. Question 4. What do worker bees turn nectar into? A. Sugar. B. Water. C. Honey. Exactly. Worker bees turn nectar into honey. Question 5. Why are bees important to plants? A. They water the plants. B. They pollinate flowers. C. They eat the leaves. Well done. Bees pollinate flowers, which helps plants grow. Fantastic job, kids. You now know all about the busy life of a honeybee. Remember, bees are very important to our world. Keep being curious and learning new things. For parents, if you would like private tutors for your kids, the Virtual Scholars Academy Limited is here to help. Send us a message via any of our platforms, or contact us via WhatsApp, or call the number on the screen. Thank you for joining us today.
Hey, adventurers! Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to VSAE to YouTube. Spread the word to your friends, and see you in the next adventure.